Hindi pala biro ang buhay negosyante.
Hi, this is Rome, and this year, I decided to build a creative agency from scratch. Yes, from scratch, using only my laptop, mic, and iPhone, na obviously gamit ko ngayon. 7 days ago, before ko nilaunch si People Lab, I set a goal, which is makaipon ng 100,000 pesos para pambili ng mga equipments. Kasi I know for me to be able to go far, I have to invest first sa growth ng company ko. So with that goal in mind, nag-start na ako i-build yung brand, from the design, marketing, client acquisition, to client meeting. Kaso may bigla akong naalala, yung business permit. Isa sa mga payo na naging client ko, if you wanna go big, you have to do it right. Kaya naman, wala nang intro-intro pa. Sinearch ko kung paano mag-apply, ano-ano yung kailangan. And honestly, medyo nakakalula pala. But still, I prepared the documents and sinimulan ko na asikasuhin to. And after a very productive week, I just realized something.